Are the doors at your storage facility faded, oxidized, discolored, and just old looking? Do they leave chalk on your customers' hands and belongings? Are you losing business to your competitors because your doors make your facility look old and outdated? Faded doors are a universal problem in the storage industry. The Everbrite Restoration System is the smart choice in door restoration. Everbrite restores your door's original color and luster, making your doors look brand new again. Everbrite is a clear coating and will work on any color door. Everbrite is ready to use, with no complicated mixing, no masking or taping off the surrounding surfaces. Everbrite also protects metal buildings, signs, and gates against sun fading, salt air, acid rain, and other damaging elements. At $15 per large door, Everbrite is the economical answer to restoring your faded and oxidized doors, helping you attract new customers and protecting your investment.